we are fascinated a lot and talk a lot about investing and how to grow your money. Before actually investing, you first of all have to have money, and a lot of times is just money management. That's the only way to actually make sure you have money left over to invest. In this short video, I'm going to actually give you the 3 rules that will make you have that extra money to invest. This rule is pretty much a guideline for budgeting to allocate your after-tax income into 3 main categories. You would allocate 50% of your after-tax money to essential needs. These include fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utility, grocery, transportation, insurance premium, and minimum debt payments. If you have a lot of debt that you owe, for example, a credit card and things like that. These are expenses that you must pay to maintain your basic standard of living. Category number 2 will be 30%. So you allocate 30% of your after-tax income for discretionary spending on wants and non-essential expenses. So this category includes things like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping, and non-essential items like vacation and other lifestyle expenses, going out to the movies and etc. Right? So before we go into a third category, just make sure, if you like this content, just make sure you smash the like button. And if you like this channel in general, just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this type of update. So the third category will be 20% is for savings and financial goals. 20% of your after-tax income towards savings, investment, and financial goals. This includes contribution to emergency savings, retirement accounts such as a 401k. For people who live in Canada, for example, there's a TFSA and RSP. A saving for major purchases like a house, if you're planning to buy a house or any other type of property, and other long-term financial objectives that you have in mind. That's a 20%, and that's very important. Here's a breakdown of the 2030 budgeting up in really examples. Let's say, for example, you are making $4,000 a month after tax. So the tax has been taken out, and now you have a $4,000 to take home. You would take a 50% for that. It's going to be for need. So if we do 4,000 times 5, you're going to get 2,000. So 2,000 will go towards the category number 1, which is needs. So that will be paying bills and rent and mortgage and etc. Right? And you take a 30% of that, so it'll be 4,000 for 30% of 4,000. That will be 1,200. That's going to be towards wants, eating out, movies, and vacation. This is monthly, so that means you're going to allocate that. For example, if you go on vacation once a year, you're going to take that 1,200 and on savings, and maybe you're going to take 1,000 every month to save for your annual one-time summer vacation, and 20% of that will go towards your savings and investing. So 4,000, 20% of 4,000 will be 800. That will be going towards something like S&P 500. If you dollar cost average, so then every month you're going to put 800 in either yieldmax ETFs, for example, cover call ETFs for passive income, or for growth on S&P 500. And so in this example, the 2,000 will go towards your essential needs, and 1,200 will go allocate for discretionary wants, and 800 will be going toward savings and investment for your financial goals. But this example is just it's just an example, which actually works. If you follow this example, you'd have a lot of money in the end. But for example, if you think 30% is a little bit a lot for you spending for something that is just once, you can actually tweak this. For example, you can take 200 going towards the needs, and then you can take maybe 200 from there, you can put toward investing. So you can tweak this. This is just a basic rules to make sure that you are living on a budget and you have a lot of money for you to live well and invest. So that's all for today. If you find this video any help, just make sure you smash the like button, and if you like this channel, just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any type of content. Bye bye.